In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic WordPress backups using Updraftplus. If you've ever lost critical data or experienced technical issues on your website, you'll understand the importance of regular backups. Let's dive right in and make sure you're protected against data loss. First, start by installing and activating the Updraftplus plugin on your WordPress site. You'll begin by heading over to your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Updraftplus WordPress Backup Plugin. Once you see it in the search results, go ahead and install it. Wait just a moment for the installation to complete and then activate the plugin. This setup process is straightforward and gets our essential tool ready for action. Next, let's open the Updraftplus settings to tailor them to your needs. You'll want to make your way to either the Settings menu or the dashboard, and then select Updraftplus Backups. Within this interface, locate the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure when and what gets backed up on your site. In the Settings tab, you'll find the option to set your backup schedules. First, look for the Files Backup Schedule dropdown. This option determines how often all your files, which include themes, plugins, and other miscellaneous data, are backed up. You have several frequency options to choose from. Consider how often you make changes to these aspects of your site when setting this schedule. While still in the same tab, you'll also notice a separate schedule for your database backup. This includes all your posts, content, and WordPress settings. Since the nature of database changes can differ significantly from file changes, it's essential to set this schedule separately. Depending on how often you post new content or update site settings, you might want a more frequent schedule for the database than for the files. Picking the right backup frequency largely depends on how often you update your site. For instance, if you're posting new content daily, you may want your database backed up daily as well. Conversely, if updates occur once a monthly backup might suffice. Remember, it's always better to have more frequent backups than to risk losing recent changes. Once you've made these configuration decisions, you can rest easy knowing your site is protected. Updraftplus will handle the rest, ensuring your data is backed up automatically according to your schedule. You're now set up to tackle unexpected data loss with confidence. With everything configured, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your hard work is safe and sound. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up automatic WordPress backups using Updraftplus. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful WordPress tips and tricks.